Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mess. I'm going to walk you guys through our social media content planner within our digital life planner. I absolutely love this template because it allows you to plan all your content and organize it. This is really great for my content creators and my entrepreneurs. I know that content can get overwhelming, so we created a solution for you guys to organize it. So here under the platforms tab, you have different platforms that we have added on your behalf. You can update this, edit them, delete them, add them as you see fit. But within each platform, you can add the logo if you would like, and then you would add your URL to for example, your TikTok page or Instagram page. We have a frequency field there for how often you want to publish content on that platform. And then under each platform, there's the board section where you can assign content. Here is the content tab. And here again is the board section that I mentioned. This is where you kind of do your planning. So you name the content a generic name. You put the status, draft, in progress, etc. You assign the platform. You can add the caption, hashtags, link. You can attach files and media. So if you want to attach a video or an image, you can do so. And then you can add a scheduling date and you can set an alert for yourself or a reminder that will push a notification to your phone. And yeah, so once you have planned your content for the week, you will see everything on the calendar view that you've planned, which is a very nice view as well. So you can see what you have upcoming. And then this last tab is content ideas. This is where you can just brainstorm ideas and present them to your team, update the status as you see fit.